In this video, I will show you how to buy MLB All-Star Game tickets. First of all, open up any web browser. In the search bar, search for MLB All-Star Game tickets. Then you will find this link from MLB.com. Click on it. If you scroll down below, you can find various versions of tickets, all for the All-Star Games. Choose the one that you like. Then simply click on Buy Tickets. From here, you can choose the number of seats. You can also filter out the ticket price. Then click on Done. Now you will find the list of various seats here with different view. Choose the one that you like. Then this menu will appear at the bottom of the screen. Click on this up arrow. Simply click on Buy 2 tickets. From here you can sign in, put in your card details and you will be able to purchase ticket. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.